Hello, I'm Tiam Singh. Welcome to another E3D tutorial. Today we are going to talk about E3D installation. We will start at the very beginning when we start running the software. Let's first dissect the E3D shortcut. In the E3D shortcut, the target is running E3D mon.exe and it will use the file called launch.init. Now let's take a look at launch.init. Just imagine that launch.init is what we used to the pdms.batch file, but it's now called launch.init. And in this launch.init, which is found in the program files directory, it will call the evars.init, which previously the pdms.bat file will call the evars.bat file. What this file does is like what the previous pdms.bat file does. It sets up some environment variable for E3D. And when you go through all the lines in this batch file, you will see that it will call the evars.init. We will now look at the evars.init file. In the evars.init file, you can see that it points to a custom evars. So this is where all your customization should be handled and not correcting information or inside this evars.init. So from there, you can see where the directory that the custom evars is stored, and we can update our customization in the custom evars file. Take note again, we should not be editing this evars file, but we rather edit the custom evars file. Now we look at some of the important environment variables in the custom evars file. The first environment variable is the PML-lib. You can put your customization of PML in the alternative PML-lib environment. This alternative directory should include any PML files that you have modified from the standard installation. You put them here, and by putting the directory in front of the standard PML-lib, you are actually using your customization rather than what comes with the software. The next is the CAF UIC file. CAF is the Common Application Framework and the User Interface Customization. By putting the UIC in that directory, you can customize the ribbon that you see in your E3D application. The Common Application Framework add-ins path allow you to put DLL that you can call from within the ribbon. These are the fully UI-based DLLs, etc. So those you can put in a separate directory rather than put in the program files directory. So these are the important steps in setting up your E3D. Hope you learned something and see you soon. Bye.